Today I will show you how to marinate barbecue chicken wings. So I've got 2 kilo chicken wings, washed and rinsed. Make sure you rinse the water for an hour so it doesn't get watery when you're cooking it. So make sure the skin is clean before when you wash it. So it's 2 kilo. Just pour it on. First of all, add some olive oil. So I just use fist size because it's 2 kilo, and would use another fist size mustard oil. It's nice and oily. It will drain when you're cooking it. And I've got the lemon juice, fist size lemon juice because it's 2 kilo for like nice tangy flavor. A bit more. And I need to add salt, pepper. So I've got the salt, sea salt, black pepper, premium dark sauce, soy sauce, and I've got the peri chef's Gourmet peri medium hot instant marinade rub. That is really good brand. It's really yummy. It's got all sorts of mixed powders for marinade. So just put the black pepper on. Mix it up and down so you'll know how much you need. Probably like 2 teaspoons, but I just know as I mix it. And then salt. Flip it so it's all over the bottom ones. Okay. This powder already has enough salt, so just try and reduce it, like probably half a teaspoon. And just do 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. And then this is a 90 gram. I would just use half of it because I've got 2 kilo chicken wings. Okay, that's enough. Let's give it a nice stir. My hand. lovely. It's lovely and colourful. I'll show you zoom in. So this is the end bit.